Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 7X, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So fortunately in this model it's quite easy, the option is not hidden, so all you have to do is to simply open the settings and tap on the battery. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom, and as you can see here we've got remaining battery percentage option. So just tap on the switcher, and as you can see actually immediately next to the battery icon we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course you can turn it off the same way, but let me leave it like this. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Honor 7X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.